Good day everyone, welcome to today's lesson. We'll be talking about HTML attributes. So in the today's HTML course, talking about what are HTML attributes, types of HTML attributes, and properties of HTML attributes. So first, what are HTML attributes? HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements, which means that HTML attributes give the HTML tag or element more instruction, so it gives more instruction or specific instructions. Like let's say I tell Bola that Bola, please Bola, go. Bola will be shocked and or surprised and look at me that where should I go to. So I'll tell him that I'll add an attribute, go to your house, or go to so and so. That's the usage of HTML attributes in an HTML tag. It gives additional information to an HTML tag. So properties of HTML attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. HTML provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in names or value pairs like name equals to value. Types of HTML attributes. So the type of HTML attributes, the first one is the SRC attribute. So the SRC attribute is mostly found in the video and image tag. It is used to describe this source name of the file name of the folder. Let's say I just open an image tag, and I went go and view the code on my browser. It won't show anything since I didn't add a source attribute to specify the exact image or video I am looking for. So the second one, the href attribute. The href attribute are defined with a tag. The link address is specified in the href attribute. Example: href equals to https www.email.com. So which means that the href attribute is to specify the anchor tag. Let's say I just only write the anchor tag alone without putting the href attribute, and I'm gonna view it. I won't be able to. It won't direct me to any link. Why? Because I didn't add the attribute that I'll add the value and take me to another link. So the third one, the height and width attribute. Image also have width and height attributes which specify the width and height of the image. So which means that let's say I want to give my video or image a specific width or height, I'll just use width and height attributes. So the next one, the alt attributes. So the alt attribute specific alternative text to be used if an image cannot be displayed, which means that let's say I collect a file from somebody, and let's say I collect a file from somebody, and there's not the image is not there, and I view it. So the alt attributes will just like give it an alternative text that this supposed to be an image here, or this supposed to be an image, something like that. So the next one, the style attribute. The style attribute is used to specify the styling of an element like color, font, and size. It is mostly used in inline CSS. So it is used for adding CSS types to an HTML tag, like p style equals to color dot dot double colon red. So it will give this paragraph a color of red. That's the usage of the style attribute. So the next one, the lang attributes. The language of the document can be declared in the HTML tag, which means that this language attribute is mostly and always used in the HTML tag. So it is declared in lang, lang, and the example, HTML lang equals to enus. So lang is used to specify the language of the HTML document. So equals to en, that's English, and us of United States. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to ask your question or what you don't understand about this. Thank you for watching. Bye.